अगर तुमने बेल आइकन पे क्लिक नहीं किया तो मेरी जहरीली गैस इस महफिल को और रंगीन कर देगी।
Be warned, because a new illness is on the loose and it's called acute sensitivity disorder. Because clearly, there can be no other reasoning for a complaint which has been filed against the Sanju trailer. The scene shows Ranbir Kapoor as Sanjay Dutt inside a jail cell which gets flooded due to a malfunctioning toilet.
दादा पोर्ट से पानी आ रहा है, दादा प्लीज है।
Now, due to this, prison activist Prithvi Maske filed a complaint with the Central Board of Film Certification for showing prisons in a negative light. I mean, it is basically a toilet leakage. In any normal Indian household, forget a prison. That happens once a year.
एक शौच के लिए इतना गुस्सा?
Maybe not like the way they showed in the movie, but I'm sure all of you out there have your plumber's name saved in your phones.
नहीं सर।
In this case, the toilet got clogged and literally the shit did hit the fan. So what? You're going to protest regarding that now? Were you there when this particular incident took place?
क्या बीच में से स्टोरी सुना रहा है? शुरू से शुरू करते हैं।
Now, Maske wrote a letter to the censor board chief, Prasoon Joshi, in a letter which said, "We never heard of any such incidents." The statement also says, earlier as well, many movies were released based on the gangsters wherein the jails were covered, but never had such incidents been shown.
No idea.
Maybe because these gangsters had different issues which they were dealing with, like getting shot or stabbed or tortured in the prisons.
अंडरवर्ल्ड से दोस्ती करेगा तो प्रेस वाले पीछे पड़ेंगे ही ना।
And the film is only for 2 to 3 hours. It's not the Big Boss house that every little detail is going to be shown right. Now, according to an unauthorized survey, which will take place sometime in the near future, it will be proved that 97.2% of Indian parents beat the shit out of their kids when they don't do well in their maths exam.
Somebody gonna get hurt real bad.
But just because there's no video proof of parents disconnecting their kids' Wi-Fi or making Tori and Loki for a week for them as punishment, this does not mean that it didn't happen, right? These are grim realities of life. Another theory to this whole issue could be that Sanjay Dutt was very good friends with Chuck Norris, and the latter had visited Sanju Baba in jail. Because Chuck Norris does not flush the toilet, he scares the shit out of it. This is an incident which happened when Sanjay Dutt was in prison. It doesn't mean that it happens all the time, or every day. No one is saying that every night there is a tsunami or a major shitstorm as the clock strikes 9 in a jail cell. All they're saying is, I don't know, shit happens. Do you guys also feel that this is a ridiculous complaint? Let us know in the comment section below. Because next, someone will take offense to Chudails and Dians being shown on the screen because the complainant hasn't seen them in person or hasn't gone out on a coffee date with them. भाई जब रात के 2 बजे चुड़ैल प्याज मांगते मांगते घर की घंटी बजाएगी ना, तब आप बताना।